How to use coupons on Temu application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use coupons on Temu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to open Google application on your mobile device and in search bar, type for Temu promo code. Then after, hit the search icon. Now in the results, you will see numerous websites providing you discount offers. Simply choose any one of the website which you want. After that, inside the website, you will see a lot of good offers which will help you to shop in Temu application. Choose the one which is desirable for you. Then after, you will see this screen. In this screen, as you can see, once you enter your email or login, you can simply activate the offer in Temu application. So that's it. That is how easily you can use coupons on Temu application. But for some coupon, you simply need to copy the code and paste it in the final page of Temu where it says promo code. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.